Hello my friends, today I will make for you a very tasty dessert, a classic cheesecake. It is very easy to make if you follow my instructions. The recipe I am using is passed on to me from my grandmother. She was a very good cook, one of the best. I will show you step by step how it's done, and I like to hear your comments if any of you attempt to make it. If you are ready, let's go in the kitchen and start. The ingredients we need are 300 of digestive biscuits, half a glass of melted butter unsalted, it's about 130 grams, 300 grams of cream cheese, one glass of sugar, it's about 200 grams, 3/4 of a glass of whipping cream, it's about 180 grams, 4 eggs, a 1/4 of a glass of yogurt, it's about 60 grams, the zest of 1 lemon, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. First, we crush the biscuits. Crush the biscuits using a rolling pin. You can use a blender, but as I mentioned, I will follow my grandmother's recipe exactly how she was doing it. We take a plastic bag and put the biscuits inside. Press them with a rolling pin and then roll over the biscuits. Transfer them in a bowl and add the melted butter. Stir well to combine and evenly moisten. We take a 25-inch spring foam pan, we grease it first and transfer the mixture and spread it evenly at the base of the pan. That will be the base of the cheesecake. Place it in the fridge until we prepare the filling. In a large bowl, we put the cheese and stir it well. My grandmother was using a fork for stirring, but myself I will use the whisk. Next, we add the sugar and stir well. We add the whipping cream and stir again. Next, we add the eggs one at a time and mix well to combine. We stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. We add the yogurt and the zest of 1 lemon. You can use orange or mandarin zest if you prefer. We stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we add the vanilla extract and finally the corn flour. Transfer the mixture in the cake pan and place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees, number 5, for about 45 to 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, we take it out of the oven and let it cool down completely, about 2 to 3 hours. Place it in the fridge overnight is better. At this stage, you can serve it plain like that or decorate it with a mixture of fresh fruit like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, red berries, or any other fruit of your choice. Or you can cover the top with a fruit filling of your choice. For this video, I am using a ready red berry filling. You can buy these canned ready-made fillings in all supermarkets. And this, my friends, is my cheesecake, exactly how grandmother was doing it. A nice dessert when you have friends and relatives coming to visit you. Enjoy it. Now it's time to try it. Fantastic. Creamy, fluffy, and very tasty. Perfect. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Try and do it yourself, and I like to hear your comments. I leave you now in good health until my next video. But before you go, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. Also give me a like and share it on media for your friends to see it as well. You will find all the buttons below this video. Thank you and goodbye.